Hi, it's James from Cunningham here again. Today we're going to be focusing on one of the most important aspects of your Christmas dinner, the honey roast ham. Our master butchers trim the ham to your specification, net it so it keeps its shape, making it easier to slice and serve after it's cooked. We then put them into our special steam ovens, which locks in the moisture and keeps the ham super tender. Obviously, if you don't have a steam oven at home, it's perfectly okay to boil your ham. A top tip is to boil your ham in cheap coke. It doesn't boil away and ensures your ham has a really special flavour at Christmas. We then take the ham out of the oven, peel back the small top layer of fat gently with just our fingers, cover in honey and rub in the brown sugar. Place back in the oven for 20 minutes to roast off, and this gets you your golden honey roast cover and flavour. We then take it out of the tray, let it rest for 5 minutes before slicing. We take such pride in the flavours we get from our famous honey roast ham. If you choose to let us cook your ham this Christmas, you definitely won't be disappointed.